Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So this is episode 19 of Look What I Found. So episode 19. So we're getting up there all of a sudden. I actually had to cull some of the coins I was showing this week, just purely so I could fit them on the screen here. But I've had a good hunt this week, and I think we did a 50 cent and a $2 coin roll hunt this week, but I was fairly successful outside of those hunts as well. Really been focusing on 5 cent coins. Still trying to find some die clash coins, um, but haven't found any as yet. But still going to keep looking. So really focusing on 5 cent coins and 10 cent coins for that matter. But really haven't pulled anything much out, and I still haven't found any 2018 10 cent coins in circulation, but hopefully one day I will find one. And I'm not finding really many of the 2019 coins either, where I am, only the Mr. Squiggle ones. Alright, so what I thought we'd just do is go through these coins. Some of these I found during the hunt, but some of them found outside of the hunt. I'm just going to bring the camera actually closer and discuss. So we've got three state coins there, and I found a couple of the Western Australian and a couple of the Tasmanian ones, and I also have a Northern Territory one there. What else we got? A 1993 and an 85, so another couple of low mintage ones. Did find a nice bicentenary 1988. And my only state coin from the 20 cent, or really the only coin I found in the 20 cent coins, was the Victorian 20 cent coin right there. 20 cent coins used to be like my favourite. I used to love going through them. I still go through them, and the only reason I really go through them is because I don't want to miss out on finding a wavy, a 1966 wavy. So I tend to still focus on the 20s, but realistically, I'm not finding anything really worth keeping. This is a 2015 missing SD. It's actually a fairly good example of one, actually, too. Probably have to show you that here again, just so if we can focus in. There's a bit of a gash right in the spot too where the SD would be. I'll just sort of hold my hand there just so it focuses, but you can see there that there's no SD there, but there is this little gash. I don't know if it'll... No, that's as far as I can zoom in. Yeah, I'm not sure if that little gash is a gash or not, or whether it's raised, but I think it's a gash based on what I can see there. But you can see that SD is definitely not there. That's a really good example of missing SD right there. Alright, let's go back out again. So I found three 1972s this week. So second lowest mintage, and the lowest mintage being the changeover. So I found three of those this week, and very happy to find them. And I really probably have only gone through maybe $100 worth of 5 cent coins. So to find three of them this week, I think I found two last week. So three this week, two last week. That's good going in the last couple of weeks to have five of them. I didn't count how many of these changeovers I got there. I probably got maybe another 8. So that was good going as well. I keep each and every one of them. I don't let any of them go through. So still looking for the alien each and every time, but no luck as yet. Just a nice 1990 that I kept out of circulation there. All the colours, same usual suspects, kept turning up. Other than these last two coins here, nice to get the rosemary, the remembrance $2 coin there, and a few more of the flame coins, eternal flame coins. I pulled that Centennial Women's Suffrage out. That was a nice one. And this is an amazing looking 1994. Try not to handle it too much, but you don't find them like that. That is just a beautiful coin, as you can see there. Just almost like in uncirculated condition. But yeah, I just had to keep that one because you don't find them like that. So I also found here's a few coins. I'd never found one of these, or I don't believe I have. So this is not one that's meant to be in circulation, and this is for the 100 years of Australian coinage, and we can see the effigies from the kings there, and the Queen. And it's a cement marked coin, as you can see down the bottom left there, under the bust. And what else is going on there? That's maybe another little mark right there. Can't quite make that out. Yeah, so this one's from 2010. So I'm not even sure if I've even seen this one before. So that was a good find. I was happy to find that. I don't know what they're worth, but probably a few dollars each. Another one of the Commonwealth Games, and a cement marked Gallipoli coin. I will have to check how many of those I got, because I think I did do a giveaway on that particular coin not long ago, and I'll have to check whether we're due for another giveaway now that I've found another one. So I'll check that. Couple of 2011s. They're the two that I found during the hunt. So that was a good find. Found this really nice high grade 2004. Fairly uncommon to find them in that sort of grade, so I've kept that. And just a couple of other Commonwealth Games coins there. What else we got? So I found 3 rabbit ears this week, and I got this one here, which is a 2008, and you can see that little rabbit ear there, the top kangaroo, that little cud, and this one here is a year 2000. These are fairly tough to come by, so that's another good find. Really big rabbit ear on that one. And that's about the only sort of style you find in that particular one, in the year 2000 version of the rabbit ear. And I found also a 2016 big ears, big cud there. I have a fair few of these ones as well. So that was a nice find. What was this one? What is that? I have no idea why that's even here. Oh yes. Oh yes. This was something good. Alright, I'll show you this a bit close up. This was one I hadn't seen for a while. Well, actually, I've never seen. So this is a 2016 cud, and if I get my little pointer, hopefully you can see it already. The cud on the back of that kangaroo there. So I have never seen one on that particular kangaroo on the 2016, so I'll have to look into that one a bit more, see how rare this one is, because depending on their rarity, they're worth more dollars. So I'll have to check what I've got. I've got lots of different cuds on Mobaroos, but yeah, it's a 2016 one, so keep an eye out for that one as well. I thought I'd bring that one to your attention. And what else we got there? We've got a couple of U coins 2019. That one there's just a nice grade 2014 that I found. This one here was a nice 1968 10-cent coin. Other than this little section right here, a little bit different, little bit something going on there, but it was just a high grade and too good to put back into circ, so I've pulled that one out. and just a nice 2012 that I thought I'll keep aside as well. That's the reason why I kept this 2008 and this particular one here. Now the reason why I pulled these two out, I want to try and grab a couple of coins that we get questions for on the Facebook page regularly. Sometimes coins like this one turn up, asking whether they're mint damage or what's going on. No, this is post mint damage. Okay, there is nothing special about a coin like this. It has, like what I always say is, it's had a fight with a lawnmower and it's lost. And it's well and truly had it, but it's still worth $2. And this is another thing that pops up from time to time. Is that kind of markings on 50-cent coins. Now, I've probably come across about 20 or 30 of these over my time. I've only kept a couple of them, and from everything we can work out and from discussion, it's usually caused, what we believe, is by the rollers when the coins are being sorted. So yeah, look, a lot of force needs to be placed on that coin in order to make that kind of impression. But look, keep a couple, but I think we'll always find out that it's post-mint damage, and certainly by the way that the side of that coin is impacted, you would certainly say that is post-mint damage. Well, now I've just decided I'm going to give away this 2008 rabbit ear. I've got plenty of them, so we may as well give this one away. So I'm just trying to think what you guys can write in the comment. Let me know what the last coin you bought was. That'd be interesting. If you haven't bought any coins, just say I don't buy coins. Or let me know what the last coin you found was that is significant to you. It's going to be a random draw. And I'll tell you what, if we get to 100 likes, okay? If we get 100 likes on this video, I'll do a second draw, and we will put this 2016 rabbit ear whoever I draw first from gets a choice. Okay, they can either have the 2016 or the 2008, and the second person will get the leftovers. Okay, so that's probably the easy way to do it. So yeah, leave a comment. What's the last coin you bought? And or what's the last coin you found that is significant? Okay, so I'll be giving those two coins away. One of them definitely, the 2008, but we have to hit 100 likes for the second coin to come into action, and then we'll have two coins to give away, and I'll post them out to you. Alright guys, I hope you've enjoyed this look at episode 19. I'm going to continue to hunt, and I'm going to continue to noodle, and I'm sure you guys are as well. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do so. You have to be subscribed to the channel in order to be able to win the draw and be eligible, so please make sure you've subscribed. Hit the like button, let's get it over 100 likes, and we'll definitely be giving away 2 coins. I know you guys can do that. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so. If you enjoy these videos, which I'm sure you do, make sure you enter and leave a comment, and I look forward to bringing more videos to you soon. Alright guys, thanks for watching.